Morning! Carpenter tayo ngayon. Magka-carpentry tayo, guys. Ito ay gamit ko sa aking pagdodormat. So, medium size ito, guys. So, kailangan ko i-lower to medium. Ay, sayang itong kahoy na to. So, gagawin ko po na So, mag-carpentry muna tayo. Okay? Kala nila sila lang marunong magpanday. No way. So, yan. Yan. Try ko lang to. Try ko lang. Sana hindi maayos lang, no? Alam nyo, guys, pinapawis na kaya ako. So, that's what it is. Hey, yes, you. Kala nyo, hindi ako marunong. Yung bayot lang na lalaki dyan ako. Alam nyo na, guys. Marunong din tayo magpanday-panday. Shoot. Diba, shoot? Okay. Marami kasi ako doon sa, sa hometown na iwan. So, that's what it is. Okay. Okay. So, ayan. Mga karels. Gawa tayo ng forma ng ating garments. Yes, nakita itong kaya medyo hindi na siya straight. Medyo hindi siya straight, but I need to do like that to make it straight. Akala nyo lang. Allah, what happened? Parang hindi ata tumama. Kasi parang mayroong dito. There's a difference. But I need to put na pa ang aking kamay. Something wrong with my hands. Yes. But it's okay. Just look and see. Yan. Perfect. Another one, guys. Kala nyo lang, guys. Marunong magpanday. Yan. Hello. It was really very very long finishing nails. Yeah, it's finishing nails. Mahaba ng nails na to. Yes, guys. Straight natin. Wow. So, diba? Kasi sayang din, guys, hindi magamit to. Nakatago lang. Kaya nga, nangitim na yung kahoy dahil guys. Alam nyo, guys, tagal na itong di nagamit kasi yung ginagamit namin is yung medium. Sabi ko, sayang na rin na hindi ko gagamitin to. Kaya baka pupunta na lang sa sugnod. Alam mo yung sugnod? Baka maigawa na lang ng Ayan, so this is what it is. Sadadadan. Mayroon akong dalawa na nagawa. So, yan. So, thanks for watching, guys. Watch for more. Bakit?